Hey friends, Gary here. Welcome to today's vlog. So we are here in Godafoss, here in North Iceland. Yeah, a very beautiful waterfall. It is a half circle kind of waterfall. Not really that tall, but very impressive, especially to look with the eye. And we're going to take some pictures right here, especially in this beautiful weather. It is clear, it is sunny. We have some blue sky and little bits of clouds adding into the drama of the photo. But yeah, in terms of challenge of trying to photograph here is that yeah, there are some crowds but not so bad. We are on a few points right here, so we can just stand right here and have the place without having the crowds on the frame. So that's fortunate. And yeah, I'm using my GF9 right now, but I will also use my G100 later. So right now I'm using the wide angle lens. Later on I will use the 14-140 super zoom. This camera is already locked on the tripod and I already have some anti-filter with it, so long exposure and all that good stuff. Let me share some photos captured here right now so you can see. Very beautiful day, very beautiful day. I just enjoy being here. So yeah, we're already in Akureyri. Yesterday I didn't really vlog because I was just driving and driving, but yesterday we visited Myvatn area, that beautiful lake in North Iceland, and we visited some location, took some pictures, but I didn't really vlog because I was just too tired. And also let me share some photos captured in that location as well. Yeah, such a nice place, and also the weather yesterday was really good. A little bit windy, but I enjoy it nevertheless. And then after that we went to Akureyri. We stayed in Akureyri for a few days, and I'm also going to share some photos captured in Akureyri as well right now. Later on, after this, we will visit the Christmas house near Akureyri. Hopefully that will be interesting as well. I will share some photos captured right there. So now we are in the Akureyri Botanical Garden. It was so beautiful. We were just relaxing here, walking around and just enjoying the scenery, the beautiful little flowers, and just, you know, having a relaxing time. And we also had some coffee and some chocolate cake, and that was really nice. And yeah, I will share some photos captured from the Akureyri Botanical Garden, but it is so peaceful and quiet. I just like it so much here, and I was able to capture some macro photos of the flowers. And I was just using the G100 and the 14-140 super zoom lens. It was so convenient to capture small little objects. It has close enough focusing capability for flowers, and when you zoom it in all the way to 140, you're able to get pretty large magnification of close objects. So that was really nice. And then when you zoom it out and you want to capture some of the sceneries, you're able to do it with just one lens. So yeah, for travel, I think a lens like the 14-140 will definitely be a very nice lens to use. Very convenient, very easy to use, as well as very fast. You don't have to change lenses, you don't have to think too much about different focal lengths. Everything is just in one single lens. Anyway, after this, I think we will visit the Christmas house near Akureyri, about 15 minutes from here, and maybe we'll take some pictures there and also have some relaxing time. Welcome to the Christmas house here near Akureyri. Such a beautiful place, very festive as well. It's like Christmas but in October. I like it so much. As you can see, the buildings look very interesting and very fun. So yeah, we're just spending some time here walking around, enjoying the colorful decoration as well as the Christmas shop. I think it was really nice. It makes us feel very warm and comforted. And yeah, I'll share you some photos that we captured here. Nothing too serious, we're not here for photography, but just for relaxing and winding down. And yeah, after this, I think we're going to go back to Akureyri and just explore the town a little bit while relaxing as well. And yeah, I hope that you enjoyed our Iceland trip vlog so far. Anyway, we are here in Akureyri, just relaxing, and actually we are now at the Akureyri church, a very beautiful building. We went inside and it was also wonderful. We were able to experience some quiet and peace that we really need. And yeah, we're just strolling around the town. We're not really doing serious photography, but I want to share some photos that I captured of this particular town. It is very beautiful. From this vantage point, you can see the beautiful town of Akureyri, and the town itself is just so nice to look at. There are plenty of flowers, there are plenty of decorations here and there. It's just so different from Reykjavik or some other cities. We actually like it here. But yeah, I will put some photos that you can enjoy. After this, we were going to check out the town again, just do some relaxing walking. It's a nice change of pace because earlier today we went to Godafoss. That was a little bit of adventure, and the days before we were also doing plenty of serious photography sessions, visiting different locations. It was packed, it was busy, so something relaxing like this is really what we need right now. But yeah, I think I want to end the vlog right here. I hope that you have been enjoying our little Iceland adventure so far, and the vlogs as well. So yeah, that is all for today's vlog. Hopefully this has been interesting and fun. Please stay tuned in my channel because I will post more vlogs related to my current trip to Denmark, Iceland and Finland. And yeah, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you want to support my channel even further, consider using the affiliate links down below. You will get some discount for some products or services that I mentioned. And also join my Patreon or YouTube membership, because on those platforms I will share some exclusive contents that you won't get anywhere else related to this particular trip. And also I will publish a full-blown travel photography tutorial video course on either Patreon or YouTube membership. Well, I will share my knowledge and experience of doing travel photography for more than a decade. So make sure you join one of those, and also purchase my travel photography ebook called Simplifying Travel Photography. I will put the link on the description below. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you and goodbye.